If you also don't want to do a 9 to 5 job in 2025 like me, then I'm going to tell you about a company that will not only give you an opportunity to earn from home, but will also give you so much money that you will not even think about any other job. Hello, I'm your brother Naveen and you are watching Career Circuit channel. Friends, the name of the company I'm talking about is Writerbay. What you have to do here is just writing, but don't worry. Here, you don't need to become Shakespeare or Premchand. If your English is fine and you can write things by doing research from the internet, then you are welcome here. Writerbay gives freelance writing jobs. That is, you don't have to go to any office. No boss will stand over you and taunt you. And the best thing is that you can do the work on your own time. If you are a night owl, then work at night. And if you are a yogi who wakes up early in the morning, then write in the morning. There is no restriction. Now let's come to the real issue. How much will be the earning, brother? Here the project is best paid. That is, the more you write, the more you will earn if the hand is right. If you are good at work and your brain is a little sharp, then you can easily earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees a month. Some top writers are earning even more than this. If we talk about eligibility, then you should have a basic understanding of writing in English. You can prepare good articles, essays, or reports by doing research. If you have any special skill like academic writing, business report, or technical writing, then brother, you can buy 2 iPhones in one go by doing this work. The most special thing is that there is no restriction here, no boss, no meetings. Just pick up the laptop, drink coffee, write, and earn money. After hearing so much, if you have a feeling of hunger in your body, then come. I will also tell you the way to apply. It is very easy. First of all, come to the official website by clicking on the link given in the description. Before applying, I will tell you your salary date. You will get the money for your work every 15 days. You can draw your payment with WebMoney and Pioneer. Proper writer support team. You will get it for any help of yours. And if you scroll down, you will see the earning process. Now I will tell you the direct application process without spoon feeding. First of all, click on the register button given above. Now you can see that you can apply in these simple thin steps. Personal details, qualification and experience, and additional information. First of all, fill in some basic details in personal like first name, last name, date of birth, gender, country, city, email, mobile number, alternate email if any, and create a password and submit it in your qualification. First of all, if you know your native language and other language, then write that. If you don't, then write none. Otherwise, it will not be submitted. Write your higher degree and in which special activity that degree is written. Then select some subjective in which you can be an expert. For example, some are given. Write some explosive keywords related to writing, which I tell in my every video. If you have not seen, then watch it and submit it. Now, in additional information, first of all, I will suggest to keep both of these on. After that, write attractive lines about yourself, in about me, and motivation letter. If you do not understand, then you can take help of ChatGPT. After that, select search engine in it. If you have any social media account, then you can share it. Otherwise, write NA and submit. After this, write their revert. Let me tell you that before starting the work, there will be general and return test, which is not very easy. If you want the answer of the test from me and want to talk to me, then the link of Telegram group is given in the description. Without thinking, join right now because I think Career Circuit channel is the only one which makes you qualified for the job by providing you the answers of the test, and that too for free. If you have subscribed to the channel, then you can go for job application. See you soon with a new video.